In high school and college, when I'd have a hard day, I would get in my car and just drive into the hills or mountains and go for a drive to just get it out of my head. I didn't do anything car-related for so many years, and now that I'm starting to, and I'm in all the different communities. I do track days, I do rally and dirt stuff, I do autocross, I love doing the driver skill stuff. Community here in Seattle is super enthusiastic, and everybody is very welcoming and inclusive. I make new friends at every single event that I go to, and that's really, really nice for somebody who's realizing later in life that they truly are a car girl. I pretty much like everything about motorsports, and Avants gives me the opportunity to not just study, but to interact. I just want more and more, not just experience, but I want more and more knowledge. And there's just a lot to learn, and Avants gives me the opportunity to learn it all. I like that I can take myself out of the internet, out of Facebook, and plant my feet amongst other people. You see people sharing their passions with their cars. I'm very passionate about my cars, and they appreciate it, which is amazing. I love that it's not model specific. I like that it's open to everything. If it has wheels, you would be welcome and encouraged to join. I'm Naomi, and I'm a member of Avants.